Okay, so this is how you run the milk deep clean, which should be done every day on the Mini Barista. These are one of the milk tablets. Get one of those in the bucket, and the best way to dissolve it is with a bit of hot water. After you put a bit of hot water in, just top it up with a bit of cold water. Once the tablet's dissolved in the bucket, get the milk line and put it in here with the tablet water. 3 little lines again. And what you do is, the milk rinse, top right, you just hold that down. And that goes into the milk deep clean. It says please fill 1 litre of water with the cleaning solution. That's what we've done with the tablet here. So if you click OK, that one will start sucking up. And the third step of the daily milk clean is, I've just rinsed that tablet water out with some fresh water. And then that's what step 3 is asking you. Please fill the container with some fresh water. And then the machine's all done once that's finished.